So I'll put some clips in front of this to show you we had to change. Well, this car got sideswiped, so that sucks. As you can see, these are 2 new doors, and when I say new, I mean from the junkyard. But we're gonna be spraying them in the morning, and you'll see how she looks. I realized it was a bit windy. If I don't have this earpiece in, I think it sounds like crap, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. We got this one back a couple days ago. We have a steering column issue. It has an electronic steering gearbox. Dun dun dun. What you got going on over there?
Nothing but selling, bud. Selling away. We got a customer coming in hot right now, picking up the latest sale of the day, Lincoln MKZ 2012.
There's the latest sale of the day.
Let's do this.
All right. Let's see what's going on in the shop. Little cleaning, little paint prepping. The new door. Color's not perfect, but looks pretty good. His confidence is up, folks. That's usually when people fall. Do a trick.
Yeah.
Come here real quick. What happened?
Why?
Because I forgot to record it. This guy don't know how to use the hand pump. Oh, it's good. That's good. We got to be recording these things. Good laughter. Who's that at my desk? Is that Justin Biebs? Mr. DJ Khaled? Okay, guys. Some of you may remember this car. Got hit by the semi on this side. They rode the tires right down the door. And boom. Not a perfect batch, but we did it. Right here in our garage. 2 junkyard doors, $125 each. Paint, $150. Labor, our guy in-house, so that's not as high as it would be at a shop. And we swapped over the panels from the original one. These windows were tinted, which actually look maybe just a shade darker, but we'll accept it. We'll take it. She's going back in the street. Got done at about 2:30 today. It is now 5:45, and we are going to rent it back out tonight. Get her out there earning some money.